Hey guys, today we're going to be going to Five Below to buy Pop-Its, and I'm very excited because I've never bought one in my entire life. Come on! Yeah, $5 dog bed right there. I'm not.
Well, let's go inside.
Look, they have a smoothie one.
It's so cute.
Look at this one.
Green one.
Yeah, look, it's a circle. Look at that.
Kneel down. Maybe they listen to you. Kneel down. I'm not gonna kneel.
Mama, look what this one does. Look at this pretty pink snail. Yeah, look at this.
This is so much fun. Look, you can pop the bubbles.
And you
Endless fun, the bubble popping. Oh, it makes me so excited.
And you do nothing.
Look, you get die car, you get camo, you get tie-dye, you get pineapple, you get camo, you get fun, you get pastel. It's bursting with bubbles.
There's some pastel.
That's it. You got the pastel?
Ice. I don't know.
Which one you gonna get? Guys?
Wait, Lindsay's getting some?
I don't know.
This is a pastel snail. I want this. Okay, now let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side.
Let's go, Nancy. Did you decide already?
Me?
You can get one.
There's one I like here.
Huh?
I don't like these ones. This one? Yes, I don't really want to pop it because there's no Pop-Its here. Look at all those. Wait, I want this one. You want this? I'm trading the pastel snail one for this one. This one's literally a simple dimple.
Wait.
It is.
Let's see which one you choose.
So I choose this one and this one. I'm
You
gonna.
bring it too?
I said three.
No. Oh my gosh. We're gonna waste $30 in Pop-It.
Because I've been training for one.
To use at school, because a bunch of people use these at school.
They don't have any bigger ones.
I don't get it. Why would you get a crocodile head?
Because it's radio controlled.
Just the head.
Yeah, so
It's for
because that's how alligator crocodiles swim with their head above water. And they're in the pool or in the lake and they think it's real.
They're gonna go like, I'm not going in there.
they scare people still.
Mama, look what I found. I found a heart one.
Look, guys, this is Joshua's favorite show on TV.
I've never
No,
SpongeBob SquarePants.
I've never seen that.
He has a SpongeBob SquarePants doll.
I've never seen that show.
You like it, huh?
No, I've never seen it.
I know you like it.
So for his birthday, we're gonna get a SpongeBob SquarePants birthday party.
I've never seen this show. All you guys say is that the show is stupid.
Hey, did you find what you want? You want the money?
So I've
Yeah.
never even seen the show because you guys say it's so stupid. You guys say the show is so stupid, so I've never even seen the show.
Good boy. You listen to your parents, right?
Mama, look what I found.
What you found? What is this?
It's a squishy. Wait, I found an even better one. This one's hard. Ow, that hurt my hand. Oh, look, I also want this because this is part of it. Look, it's squishies. Look, Isa. Wait, I like the lighter pink one, boy.
Okay, did you find your pops? You can go now.
Ow, what
I show it. Let's go.
That's it. See, this is annoying. I actually want to get 2 of these. No, I want to get another Pop-It. I want to get money. What do you
Find something?
guys?
No, I'm
Guys.
trying to look over there, but I can't.
What do you want? What do you think I should get? This, or this,
I'm
or this?
stealing the mama trick.
I should get.
I'm
I
stealing
think
the
I
mama
should
chicken.
get. There's just like so many choices here.
There's a slinky.
Hey
Wait.
guys, look.
Is this-
Smelly feet spray.
I've never wanted that.
Oh, they've got farts.
This is actually,
Oh my
Mama.
God, everything is falling in my back. Can you help me, please? Everything is falling.
Mama. Squish this thing. It's like so rock solid.
Oh my gosh, really? Like it has sand inside.
He's got
Good
away from
stretch
me.
ball. Stretchy, stretch.
It makes your muscles work.
Yeah. Someone who is sick. Oh my gosh, guys, you did that and it's here and it's not.
No. Oh, you're supposed to do this. Look.
Don't blame it on the whoopee cushion.
Oh my gosh, don't do this in the store.
Okay, I just really want to get another Pop-It. Wait, what is this? No. Can we look at that aisle over there? Let's go.
Come on, guys.
I've always wanted a silly putty because I've never used one.
Sorry?
I said I've always wanted a silly putty because I've never used one.
What do you talk about? What is this?
Silly putty.
Guys, this is my it's a doll, right?
Tice, you know what these are, right? Tice, you know what these are, right?
Uh-huh.
Mini Barbie accessories stuff. Mini Barbie food or toys or stuff like that.
I want to put away this. Where did you find them? I'm getting 3 of those.
She wants some of those. That she likes.
Why the mini Barbie toys?
It's right here.
Yeah, they're mini Barbie toys for your Barbie, like toys.
Oh my gosh, no. So what the hell mini is gonna be?
Look at these. They have these here, Mommy.
Oh, mine.
No.
Actually, I'm going to put that.
What? They have stuff to look at. They have
Grab these. I can literally, I'm going to grab 3.
How much is this? $5 each?
Boy, in their years, it's time.
This is very mini. I don't think I'm not thinking inside.
There
You can fill it. Inside, there's a toy for your Barbies.
But your Barbies.
There's actually a 5 surprise thing where you find like you can find food for your Barbies. You can feel there's like a something in there, and I can't feel it.
I'm grabbing 3 of these.
No, 3 is too much.
How about
I think
2?
it's $5 each.
How about
Can I get
2?
one of these?
$5 each?
Can I get one of these for your backpack?
Mama, look what's inside of here. It's like shaving cream.
If you pop it, you're gonna make a big mess.
Yeah, do not try this at home. Do not even pop it at home because if you pop it without even putting it in a bowl and without being careful, it might explode all the way over your house and it might even get in your hair. Even in your nose, and your eyes, and your mouth. Do not try this.
Yeah, if Chris could buy these and pop it, he's gonna eat that.
Yeah, and you don't want.
Guy.
I knew it was for the dog.
Oh my gosh, it's not a good idea.
I still want Risco to die. She thinks he's a cute baby puppy, who is the angel of the house.
Did you show your baby
I
puppy?
knew it was for the dog. I knew it. Tice is getting it for the dog? Oh no, that's a bad idea. Risco loves biting stuff. I gave him a few stuffed animals, and whenever you try taking it away from him, he's gonna he's gonna chase you because he wants it. Don't give him anything. This is all I found.
You don't want a candy?
I want candy.
If you
but-
want to get candy.
Like this?
Let's go.
Here's candy popcorn,
Just
guys.
one, okay?
There's Coca. Look at
I'm
this.
getting this one. I'm getting this one.
get? Oh, look at there's mini. Oh, I want one of these.
This is too big, Thaís.
Then this?
It's big.
This is Chinese food. How about
Okay,
this?
Chinese just wanna kill you.
No, it's with mommy.
Guys, how many
It's
of these?
gummy.
How many of these did you get?
One.
Get the chocolate, look. Look, the chocolate.
Take away this and get those.
Guys, get the chocolate.
For you?
I'm gonna go put this back and I can get one candies.
Mama, I'm actually gonna get this. It's actually English food because this is ramen noodles and
I
eggs.
don't think it's English. Where does this come from? Producto of Netherlands.
Thais, look. Thais.
Where do you get this?
Where do you
Where is this place?
There are jelly bean tasted donuts in here.
It's not bad taste.
I'm kind of changing.
Now we go.
I'm kind of changing. I'm changing my mind right now.
No, let's go.
No, you're going back, Thais. You're going back. No, you're not going.
Let's go, guys.
Thais,
Don't change your mind.
You're not changing your mind.
We're gonna stay in this store forever.
Look at
And they're gonna stay this way forever. That's all.
I tried to not change my mind.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, I'm reading the ingredients.
No. All the ingredients are bad anyway. No? Yeah. All the ingredients is bad. You know that, no?
That's why you gotta read the ingredients so you don't kill yourself.
You like the blue sparkly?
I
can help you. I can help you.
No, I know how to open it. Oh, I didn't notice you could do that.
I was gonna like rip the box open because I do not know. Oh, you never took a Pop-It out, right? That is kind of like a simple dimple, right?
This is
Satisfying.
This is a simple dimple.
The pops are satisfying, right?
That's it.
This is a simple dimple. Look, let me do it on the floor so you guys can.
On the floor?
I just okay. So we got 3 right there.
It's really satisfying, right?
And there's one right there.
Like that.
I can do 4 at a time.
When you push one, another one coming.
No, she accidentally clipped the other one, right? Poppy's, that one is one of the most satisfying ones I've touched.
Okay. If you guys are wishing for these, probably go buy them at Five Below because
They're $5.
there's the best ones there. But in the mall, are there even best?
Yeah, everyone's getting obsessed with fidgets lately. At my school, like, kids bring fidgets to school and start playing with
Yeah,
them.
my friend Haru and Audrey, they have 1 fidget.
And actually, we already had fidget spinners with our fidgets, but like different types.
Yeah, but you cannot just pop. You can't pop on.
People bring Pop-Its to school.
So this is literally the funnest Pop-It in the world. Like, I literally love Pop-Its. Next time, I'm bringing the camera with me, and we're going to the mall to buy a big Pop-It. Next
The Pop-It's
time.
gonna be like this big.
Yeah, it's gonna be as big. It's gonna be bigger than my head.
No, larger than her arm.
No, that's not really true.
No, like this much.
And I'm so excited. Bye bye.
So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.